What? Can you take that lip scrub? Where? There on the table. Yeah, take that. Just this little bowl. Okay, you don't have to do that. I know, but look at my lips. They are so dry. If I don't have hydrate, I can't wear lipstick. And I got a meeting in 5 minutes. Just take this. What do you mean? First, apply. No fingers, no mess, anywhere. Wait. No way. Scrubs are supposed to be messy. It's just a part of routine. Not anymore. You can be smart and do your routine anywhere. But how is this? I asked for a lip scrub, not a lipstick. Wait. Calm down. This is Lipscruby Stick, not your traditional lip scrub. It's a lip scrub in lipstick form. See? It's a scrub, but it's look like lipstick. Lip care product that work like a makeup for lips. What's with the expression? Yes, it is possible. So, fruit repair dry lips, scrub exfoliates, balm prevents dehydration, and gloss gives shine. Wow! Not just repair. You can use it as a lip scrub, a lip balm, and even a lip gloss over lipstick. See those dark specks? That's 100% fruit extract with brown sugar, naturally exfoliating. Coconut oil, jojoba oil, vitamin C and E for smooth, hydrate lips. Shea butter for the glossy finish. Okay, now try it. It's so easy. Open, twist, apply. I can already see the shine. Wow, my lips feel so soft. But wait, does it have pub? No, that's the best part. It's cruelty-free, multi-use and paraben-free. Why wait? Visit our website TJD Shopping and grab your stylish but effective Lipscruby Stick. No more hands on your lips or surface because you deserve better.